Hundreds of cars sit idling in traffic and parking lots just to access basic necessities. In many American cities, getting food or going to work requires a car. This creates major problems including high energy consumption, limited access for people without cars, increased vulnerability during crises, and air pollution. The structure of the built environment shapes everyday life. It didn't happen by accident, and it can be redesigned. Imagine a city where buildings are tightly packed, streets are narrow, and most people live within walking distance of work. Just over a century ago, this was the norm. The cities we live in today didn't emerge randomly. They evolved through disasters, new technologies, and shifting ideas in architecture and planning. In the 1800s, cities were mainly built from wood, and daily life depended on open flames for lighting, cooking, and heating. As a result, even minor carelessness could spark fast-moving fires. Events like the Great Chicago Fire, which left over 100,000 people homeless, forced cities to rethink construction. New building codes required fire-resistant materials, wider streets, and greater spacing between structures. These changes improved safety, but they also fundamentally reshaped urban form. That increased spacing made it easier and cheaper to build outward. Over time, this contributed to urban sprawl, separating daily life into distinct zones for housing, shopping, and work. After World War II, suburban development accelerated, prioritizing the automobile above all else. While this enabled rapid expansion, it reduced walkability and social connectivity, increased dependence on cars, and introduced new risks. Car accidents now cause far more deaths annually than urban fires ever did. At the same time, an emphasis on speed and low upfront cost led to poor short-term design decisions. This left cities responsible for maintaining extensive and expensive infrastructure, roads, water, and sewage. The result is a built environment that is costly, resource-intensive, and difficult to sustain. In response to these challenges, the concept of new urbanism emerged. It promotes mixed-use neighborhoods where homes, shops, parks, and workplaces are located close together, often within a short walk. These communities make it possible to walk, bike, or use public transportation, reducing dependence on cars while fostering stronger social connections. The way we design cities shapes how we live. New urbanism isn't just about aesthetics. It's about addressing the hidden costs of modern development and redesigning places around people rather than vehicles. By bringing daily activities back into close proximity, it reduces energy use, improves accessibility, and strengthens communities. As cities continue to grow, the challenge isn't just building more roads or more housing. It's about designing communities that are healthier, more connected, and more sustainable.